How to log into your Walmart MoneyCard. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Walmart MoneyCard. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, Walmart MoneyCard. You will land on the official page of Walmart MoneyCard. Once you're in here, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner, and then click on Login. Once you click on Login, this interface will appear on your screen. In this page, what you want to do is, first of all, simply enter your online user ID. The user ID is given to you while creating your account. Enter it here. Once you have entered, now enter the password that you have created before. If you want them to remember your user ID, click on this checkbox. And once you are done, click on Login. You will be logged into your account successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your Walmart MoneyCard account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.